So, my people, in case you are watching for the first time, my name is MC Eberman, aka the Wulewu Master, and this is New Planet TV. Thanks for supporting New Planet TV, and thanks for the like and subscribe and everything. Thanks. Well, police don't nab 3 persons for fake drug production. Police. Now, I don't talk about the police before. Sometimes not best. I even sometimes they try. Sometimes they try. They don't catch 3 boys for fake drug production. They're the producer on their own. Hey, welewe. You don't catch 3 boys for Ikotu area. For those who know they stay for Lagos, Ikotu. And as if you take bus from Yanokpaja, you go direct straight to Ikotu. As you say, you go TB Joshua Church. Ikotu Egbe. Now that place is for happen. That area. Ikotu now for happen. If not the day Lagos, they hear me now. Like Ikotu, this one for happen. 3 boys for fake drug production. The producer on their own. And the chemical and the powder where the producer is not good for human health. It weaken and it kill some cells inside. They producer for the producer on their own for one uncompleted building. Like all these people say armed robber, they hide. Wait for they go hide their gun, they share their money and everything. You sound so this is an illegal business, because if not better business, what you go make them go that kind of dirty place, an uncompleted building, they go produce their fake drugs. If not a better thing, maybe they'll go rent shop, they'll go down for opening place. Because it's illegal and very dangerous to human health. As I say, human beings, they die anyhow. Not be everything which they cause. Just imagine somebody who not deal with now, it's may go buy the drugs, they begin to sell them. You take the kind of drug, which you know good, what they do with chemical, you can't kill it, you can't tell me that one wish I kill the person. No. So can't they happen? Because what would they cause with our hand? This is wickedness. 3 boys. The 3 of them, they know Emeka Madu Eze-Young. That be the first one. Emeka Madu Eze-Young. And the second one is Shizuke Umona. Shizuke Umona. And the third one is Kingsley Obilo. Kingsley Obilo. 3 boys. I have not pronounced the names the way, but there are 3 guys. See the man, see they get their own machine separated, they produce this thing for this dirty, uncompleted building. Just take a look. 3 of them. So you not care this thing when you produce, I beg they good for you, man. They not all they care about are just the money. This will not be just like racially so. Yes, you just like the same category with the Boko Harams. Boko Haram, they don't not be drug, now gone, they kill somebody. You do fake drug, let people drink and die. So all of you are all killers. You see the problem? For a cartoon knife will happen. If you are taking balls that is from a Yanokpaja straight to a cartoon Egbe. Now that will happen. 3 boys. What kind of problem is all this? Just take a look at the place where they produce the drug. Who give you right or the license to do this thing? For you are doing fake thing for human consumption. You can fake clothes, you can fake electronics, but you don't fake what human being they consume inside. It's poisonous. They don't care if the people die or not. Like just the money the day after. When they produce them like this, they get boys so that they give. They go, they spread them for town. They go sell them. And all these things, they're very common for Lagos. Somebody with a sick, go meet pharmacists, go make them prescribe for you. Or meet your doctor, you just buy for roadside, anything you take, you just drink them. So the sickness will begin to increase. You know well, you see me, you take your money, go buy something, you go drink, we go make you well. You think that the thing is killing you. Instead of you getting better, the condition they get worse. Fake drug production. How can you be faking what human beings are consuming? If it's closed, no problem. Then you say yes, not be inside. If it's electronics or whatever, no problem. Not be waiting that they eat. Fake, poison, the chemicals and the wait till they produce all these things. It's not that good. All they are all fake. Very dangerous to human health. For this, I commend the police. I commend the police, the Nigerian police for this. They try for this area. As if they fish those boys. Mona continue, Mona they go eating place like that. They go the all computer building, all the ekoro, all the corner. Una go see, as una see catch those boys. There are plenty of them. They see plenty like this. It's still good there for Benin. All this wine where they display for Ring Road. All this place. Some of the wines are not good. Now those boys, they produce the wine themselves, are very dangerous. So more gonna go police, more gonna go around, more gonna go fetch all these boys they act. Just imagine. See the dirty or computer building where they for hide, they do these things. Exactly where Ambroba they hide their gun, where they hide that they smoke their bow and everything. That's all the same thing. Can you imagine? Hey, welewe. Hey, Ajagota. The life don't finish. C'est fini, finito. Basta. It don't finish. Wickedness. So what? Una not say this thing not good. You not do good for the head, but you not care because of the money. You spend quality time. They produce wickedness. They bring out. Oh no, I don't know how to qualify. I don't know how to qualify these people. See their face. What kind of wickedness be one so? The person not well, you take him money, go buy something, go make him well. You know, something will be killing them more. Now you go buy with your own money. What kind of wahala be one so? He gbogbo kiri, according to Shekiri, he gbogbo kiri. It's not a problem. They the same thing with the racial issue, the same thing with the Yahoo Boys Plus, the same thing. The same thing with the evil politicians and the same thing with Boko Haram and the same character and a day. For you to be producing fake things, you know that you know fully well that this is dangerous to human health. You know well, you the producer, you get boys where they go supply. You put your money for pocket. So your mind say, now as business, say business is booming. You are killing people, you say your business is booming. Too bad. Say no to fake drugs. Say no to illegal production. I'm gonna value human life. Kudos to the police. I'm gonna still go far. Not only Lagos, there for Benin there. All those boys who they do fake wine for Benin. For kiosks, all those places, they all the Ring Road, those areas, those boys, those wine boys. Where they sell wine. Some of the wines are fake. I'm gonna carry out investigation. Not the one between your fake and or original. Those when they produce fake wine, I'm gonna fetch them hard. They are killing people. You will see you drink wine, you enjoy your life. You don't see you are killing yourself. What is the key? The wicked some sense inside the body. Fake wine, fake drugs, so plenty things like that. Police gonna go fish them out. They catch them one by one like that. Souls are dying every day. Not be everything which they call. Sometimes they wish they are innocent of some allegations leveled against them. This one not near which and wizard. This one has seen crook, see me and see you. Some of them, my advice on if you know where, go to pharmacy direct. Go meet doctor. Go pharmacy, make buy better drug. Don't buy from roadside. Don't buy from roadside say because they cheap. Don't buy from roadside. You are not buying drug. You are buying killer. Now killer. You are killing yourself slowly. With your own money, you take your money, they buy death for yourself. It's very wrong. Don't buy from roadside. Go to pharmacies to buy drug, please. If not, they will go meet pharmacists when they prescribe for you. They will first ask you questions, test your body. Not to just enter in there. I know well. I beg you, so what is this on the work? Madam, this one good. It did good. And this one too is still did good. Now they call the taste say it did good. Would they not specialize on that area? It's not their area of specialization. They are not the one to prescribe, to dictate for you what is good for you. It's only the doctor who knows best. Not those quack, those roadside criminals, those roadside killers who don't care about you. Not but those they don't get to know. It's not their area. What they know is their money. That's all. Can you imagine? Oh no, too bad. Say no. All right, please, as you are hearing the broadcast, please. I know some of them don't see them before. For the benefit of those who never see them, that's why they cast this news. So spread it around. Share this broadcast. Okay, spread it around to create awareness, please. Do not buy drugs from roadside. Do not patronize all those roadside boys because they shit. Value your life. If you don't value your life value you. Okay? Please. Very important. Please share this clip. Okay, I remain MC Eberman, aka the Welewe Master, and this is New Planet TV. Please subscribe to New Planet TV on YouTube. Very important. And follow us on Facebook, like our page as well. And please feel free, if you have story, you want anything you want us to talk about, you forward it to message. Just message them for me. Just send me message and I will receive it. You understand? So on my inbox, mceberman@gmail.com or newplanetproduction10@gmail.com. You can put it there and tell me when it happened, and I will talk about it. And I'm deeply sorry for those of you who never read the news when I send for me from my boss. I will talk about it. I see they try to investigate, carry out investigation to know, to get more fact about what you must send. So I'm gonna never base. I will do that. Okay. I remain MC Eberman. Do stay out of trouble till I come your way again. Okay. I love you.